watch ya. Know what that? That then say extinct. Galawas. Remember Galawas?
But then saying stink.
Extinct. Boom. I'm terrible that one. It means then dead out. That them I say. You see? So then dead out. Watch ya. Alright.
So this is what kind of creature this is?
A Galawas, brother. Galawas. The original Galawas. You see? Yeah, man. And then say dead out.
So what you can do?
It can walk.
Oh. You can arm you?
Yeah. Them have one saying back in that time. You see what I mean?
What then say?
Say you see if that's something I bite you and you reach dirty water before you're dead. So me I go prove it to you. Me make him bite me. Me make him bite. Yo, bite me.
Put your finger on it.
Come on, do something on.
You have to put your finger in mouth.
You do it. Make him bite you. And make him reach dirty water.
No, you know about it. Me don't know about it. I hear me just
Then when I tell you the whole story, brother. Galawas, man, you see it? Yeah, man, baby Galawas this. I never know one in Galawas though. You really know?
look like one snake and one lizard in a one.
I want snake fuck one lizard or one lizard fuck the snake. You see it and yeah, so when them bigger you barely can see them foot, you know. But somebody fuck somebody and that go on. And so you Galawas. Yeah, man.
It's a mixed breed species.
Mixed breed, Galawas.